Right, in the last video that we looked at, we considered the line spacing in order to make your CV look a little bit better. I've got another example here, and what you can see is the line spacing isn't too bad, but if we scroll down you can see that it covers 3 pages, one of which only has one line on. You can also see down at the bottom here which page you're on and how many pages your document consists of. It also shows you how many words. Now this is quite an extreme example, but what I wanted to do was just show you how you can make all of your text fit on maybe 2 pages rather than 3 quite easily. Now, one of the first things you could do was perhaps change the size of the font. If we click on the Home tab here, you can see that the size of the font we're using is 14, which is quite high, particularly in the area containing the main paragraphs. 14 is okay for the headings and maybe the subheadings, but 12 would be better here. But generally speaking, you want your CV to fit onto 2 pages. Now, one of the first things to do to try and achieve that is just to simply change the size of the margins. And to do that, we're going to click onto the Page Layout tab, and you can see we've got margins here. So if we click on the margins option, and as you can see, the standard setting for the margins is 2.54 all the way round. You could choose narrow, which reduces all of the margins, or you could use moderate, or well, you wouldn't use wide obviously, but the best way to do is customize your margins. So you can just click on custom margins and the page setup dialog box comes round, and you can see here that your margins are set to 2.54 all the way around. What I've found in the past is you could try 2 centimeters all the way round, and you can do that just by clicking on the drop down arrows there. There are quicker ways of doing this. You can highlight and just type in 2, and then you could use your tab key to go there. The setting that I find for the bottom margin is normally 1.5 is quite sufficient. If you say OK, just wait and see what result we get down here once I press on OK. Can you see now that it says we are on page 1 of 2, and if we scroll down you can see that that has come onto 2 pages. So that's a very short video demonstrating how to change your margins. You could